one of the major treatment type, we have already created a process flow for that. Okay, that is completed. We have a treatment type EKG process flow ready. Now there is another treatment type, that is X-ray. Okay. So transport then process is what is we are going to need, because we need to transport the patient from one area to another. So I'll just drag that process flow here and it comes predefined, pre-ready for us from Flexsim, and that's where I love Flexsim. It's really hands-on, fast to create the simulation modeling very efficiently and the fastest way. Now what we're going to do is, similar to how we connected to the EKG, let us connect it to this area and then connect this area down onto the consult area. And let us rename this to X-ray. Okay. So this is an X-ray treatment which needs to be given care. Now in the location, let us rename this location to X-ray. Okay. The transport thing, let us rename that to wheelchair. Okay, let us rename that to wheelchair. And the next thing is that the tech, the staffs, right? This needs to be renamed to the technicians. That is tech. Accordingly, here also you can see all the things are renamed. Okay. Now, what has to be taken care is similar to what we did, right? In the EKG, here we are not going to assign a group because we didn't create a group for the X-ray. So we directly going to use sampler for that. Wheelchair, yes, we have the wheelchair, that is the transport group. So we are going to put our wheelchairs out in there. And then we talk about technicians. We have a group for the technicians as well. And the group for the technicians is this. Okay, so we have assigned all respective wheelchair groups and equipment into the resources section. Now what we also need to do is we need to drag again the move equipment thing. Why we need to do that? Because we need also to return the wheelchair. Okay, so that's where we are going to use the move equipment out in there, and this is basically going to return the wheelchair to its reset position, which you see is already there. Okay, so let me go to the equipment which is already acquired, technician again, acquired tech, just like which we did there. And in the destination, we are going to use it as equipment's reset location. Okay, and we are going to rename that as return wheelchair, right? We need to return the wheelchair again. So returning the wheelchair. So here it is up. After processing, we are supposed to return the wheelchair back. Okay. So let me just make this bigger and let us see whether we need anything else. Okay. So here we have all these details out in there. Okay. So now what we need to do is you need to click on the transport, patient data head here. Okay, or transport person. We will not have a person, we will have a patient. Okay, so we can rename that. But here we need to have this named as, you can have that as a patient, or you can have that as a person. Okay, so if you see here what we have it is, here we have a person, so let us keep it as a person. Okay, and then when we see that person, where we need to take it is that we need to have that, so basically that is being taken to acquired X-ray, acquired tech, acquired wheelchair, everything is perfectly done. Okay, so what we're gonna do ahead now is that we need to see whether this process flow is correct. Okay, because we are going to first acquire wheelchair, acquire tech, then transport the patient. Okay, from to the destination is X-ray. Okay, and then let's see how that works. Patient, anything else? The processes are okay. Returning the wheelchair is okay. Everything looks good as of. Okay. Now in the token type, we need to, what is that? In the treatment type, we need to specify the decisions now. Okay. For premium content, do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com, where you will be getting all these premium contents available. So talking about what things you're going to get in, you're going to get in, simulation solutions. You're going to get premium training classes for simulation stuffs. You will be getting 3ds model file support. You can buy modules. You can access to simulation case studies. You can visit our services. Also, you can visit the blogs which you're going to get. So I was talking about simulation solutions, right? You can schedule one-on-one session with us, for training and details. You can access our digital assets like learning center. Okay, so here comes the booking online appointment. Talking about training classes, you can access premium training classes. Once you are going to purchase our subscriptions, you will be able to access our training classes which are listed out here, and these are continuously getting upgraded, guys. Talking about blogs, here we bring in blogs from travel experiences, health, devotionals, like industrial engineering, personality development, simulation tech, and lot more interesting and exciting. So do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com for premium